Let us check out the Prestige Iris Plus. So this is how it's supposed to be. When you unbox this thing, you get the lids along with a jar and a warranty card. So you get 3 stainless steel with 1 juicer jar. You can make dry masalas and it grinds it very well at 750 watts. Also, if you all need to make batter, it is very good. It gives you a good batter consistency, grinding it fine like paste. You get it in 3 speeds including the pulse. Also, with the high performance, you can prepare gravies within minutes and fresh juice, fruit juices, vegetable juices at home itself. This unique piece comes with a very reasonable rate, and looking at the benefits of what all you can make, juices, chutneys, gravies, it is like a fine dining experience in your home itself. So in case if you all like this product and want to purchase it, you all can take a screenshot of the QR code or scan the QR code that is given here. And for more interesting videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time with another new video. Bye.